With the current cases and controversies surrounding law enforcement operations, public scrutiny has never been higher concerning the encroachments on the inalienable rights of the people. From the freedom of expression, to bearing of arms, to search and seizure, the use of force, to rights of a speedy trial, which also affects sentencing and conviction. These are not isolated concerns. Over time, such encroachments have developed into a pattern and practice of constitutional deprivations, undermining the authentic value of law and order. Today, now more than ever, as a peace officer in the 21st century, you need critical thinking skills for enforcing criminal procedures respective to the constitutional rights, immunities, and privileges of the people you will serve. Skills that do not reinvent the wheel, require votes from legislators, nor needs millions of dollars of budget appropriations, but common sense actions consistent within the well-established framework of the Federal and State Bill of Rights. Introducing Executing the Laws of Justice in the 21st Century, Part 1 of a constitutional-oriented policing series for peace officers to execute their oath and duties with competent character. In the terminal performance objective of this webinar, we will re-examine how the United States and Georgia's constitutions, when properly applied, can restore trust and confidence in the modern law enforcement agency. In 4 enabling objectives, you will be able to analyze the inalienable rights of the people in civilizations from biblical to the modern era, define constitutional-oriented policing and its relevance to the various levels of peace officers executing law enforcement functions in the state of Georgia, enforce day-to-day criminal functions in strict compliance with the federal and state constitutions, the official code of Georgia, and supporting case laws. Minimize claims of civil and criminal liability by reviewing various United States codes and supporting case laws citing deprivation of rights under the color of law. As we begin this timely course, I want to emphasize deliberate indifference plus constitutional deprivation equals individual or group incompetent performance. When you walk away from this course, I want you to have critical thinking skills about performing day-to-day operations, a two-edged sword of transparency and accountability called justice that is neither above or beneath the law, but executes criminal justice procedures with accurate results. Let's get started.